Hello everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva and thank you so much for stopping by today. Today, my assignment is to bring you a list of practical items, things that you actually need, and to make it fun. These are items that are all going to be eco-friendly, so one of the reasons that for me I needed them was to get plastic out of my life, or to get more plastic out of my life. We've got things to make you clean and to clean your house and to soften your skin. So let's just jump in. Oh, and underwear too. Okay, because yeah, we all need it. All right, but we're gonna start with these. These are natural bamboo makeup removing cloths. They're made from bamboo and cotton, and I was so sick of buying cotton rounds. You know, you use the disposable kind, you use once and throw them out. And I just wanted something else that I could use it and then throw it in the wash, and when I do my wash, they all come out clean and ready to go again. So that's what these are. These are extremely soft, and you can wet this, put a little bit of your cleanser on it, and then just use it to just take your makeup off. So, they come with a laundry bag. So the dirty ones you just throw in here, throw this in the laundry. And this is actually a storage, like a place to store them on your counter. This comes with, it's decorated, and it comes with a lid, but unfortunately I must have thrown the lid out or something. I can't find it. But I keep mine in a glass jar anyway, so I didn't really need a place to store it. But if you do, all paper. And you can just put this right on your vanity and then grab them as you need them. There's, how many in here? There's 20 pads in here. This is going to last a really long time. I've already taken out about 5 of them, and I've been reusing them in rotation. So these are just backup or storage until those get all thrashed, and then I can start working my way through these. That is from a company called Greens LA or Greens ELA, something like that. And when they sent me that, they sent me a little brochure of some of the other things that they have, and they have kitchen and bathroom cleaning sponges. So I went back to Amazon and looked in their store, and I saw their sponges, but I also saw some others that kind of got higher ratings because they last longer and they're more heavy duty. So I got those instead. Theirs are made out of hemp fiber, and they're very softer, so if you have more glassware and porcelain and things like that that you don't want scratched, those would be great. I wasn't really worried about that. I wanted something that was going to be rough and tough and scrub stainless steel, and so I found these from Airnex. They got really good reviews. They said that they last about 2 months before you have to replace them. Here's what they look like. These are made from cellulose and coconut fibers. So if you've ever felt the outside of a coconut, you know exactly what this feels like. It's very tough. They work really well on scrubbing stainless steel or the stove, whatever you need to scrub. These have been great. I can tell you, let's see, they are non-scratch, they are plant-based, they are long-lasting, which is what all the reviews were saying, and odor-free, and all made from natural fibers. These Airnex sponges are compostable and biodegradable. They don't develop a weird smell over time. They dry quickly, and this company has a reforestation partner. So every order helps to plant a tree. So Airnex is the company, and I got them on Amazon, and this 12-pack costs about the same as like your Scotch-Brite or red or non-eco-friendly scrubbies, and I don't have to worry about more, adding more waste. Both of these are a very low waste product. While we're talking about cleaning, let's just keep going. I mentioned this before, but I wanted to mention it again. This is from Charlie's Soap. This is ultra concentrated oxygen bleach. So it tackles tough stains, it whitens whites. I've been using this for about a month. It's amazing. It's awesome. I love Ecos laundry detergent, fragrance-free, because I don't want my clothes to smell like anything other than clothes. You know, I want to put on my own scent. So I've been using that laundry detergent forever. That leaves your clothes extremely soft. I save on things like fabric softener because I don't need those. And so adding this, I was concerned that it might make my clothes a little rougher, the whites anyway. It does make them they're not quite as soft, but they're still nice and soft. They're still plenty soft. So this has just been great. And the other thing that I wanted to mention about this is that you can use it for other things. It says on their website that if you dissolve this in water in a spray bottle, then you can use it to, like I would add a few drops of Castile soap or dishwashing soap or something like that. But then you can use it for grout, countertops, the toilet bowl, pots and pans that need a little extra scouring, as well as porcelain sinks and tubs. So multi-use product, and of course it does a really good job of whitening your whites. I haven't had to use it with my color clothes yet, but definitely I can give it a big thumbs up for the whites. And while we're still talking about cleaning, how about cleaning you? I love bar soaps. I use regularly the Good soap from Alafia Shea, the coconut variety that has no fragrance, because again, I didn't want any fragrance in my soaps. So I've been using those for a while, but I started wanting fragrance in my bathroom again. So I discovered a company that they say that they do not use corn in any of their products, which is really good for me. I don't have to worry about a reaction with my sensitive skin. And so it's Primally Pure, and I bought their bergamot and eucalyptus body wash. This is a low sudsing, cleaning body oil almost. It leaves your skin really hydrated when you're done, when you're done with your shower. Again, it's a low foam, so you don't have to worry about any kind of irritation from SLS or SLES. Doesn't have any of that stuff in it. And it smells like you're in a forest, a eucalyptus forest. If you love eucalyptus or love that kind of foresty kind of scent, you will love this because it's very eucalyptus forward. And it's also white and creamy and just really, really nice. I've been using it for the last few days, and it's lovely in the shower. And if I'm in a mood and I want extra foam, I can put this on my scrubber and mix with a little regular soap, and then I get the foam I want, as well as getting the fragrance that I want, the scent in the shower, and the extra moisturizing properties from this. So I'm going to be exploring more from Primally Pure. They have a moisturizer that I will be ordering soon because I want to try it. Yeah, it's a little bit of a splurge, but this is a really big bottle. Everything is extremely natural. So as I look at the ingredients, I do, I aside from the potassium hydroxide in here that I believe is what they use for their foaming agent, the rest are just oils, like rich oils and essential oils. So a very pure product. Company that I think is worth exploring if you haven't already. But yeah, Primally Pure is their name. Hello again. It's later in the day and I have been waiting all day for this to arrive. See this little label? Red flower. So let me just open this quickly and show you why I'm so excited. All right. I used my coupon and went to Red Flower and ordered a set of soaps. I've mentioned in I just got a whiff of it. I have mentioned in previous videos how much I love their Moonflower scent, and that's what these soaps are. So let's see. Oh my gosh. They smell exactly, there's like 5 bars here. Each is a decent size. And they smell like the Moonflower. I cannot wait to use these in the morning, but I can already tell you I am going to absolutely lose my mind over these soaps. So Red Flower's awesome company. I just discovered them this year. What they do better than probably anything else that I'm using right now is they have very natural ways of getting fragrance into their products so that they don't, you don't, their fragrances are complex, but they are not synthetic. They smell like something that you just kind of stumbled upon as you were walking through a meadow or a forest or up and down the beach or in a cherry tree. And this is one of my all-time favorites. So wanted to mention these because I do have a coupon down in the description, and you can use it and get 15% off your order. And that's what I did, and I picked up these beautiful soaps. And just to keep it real and honest, Red Flower, their products are biodegradable and biocompatible, refillable, recyclable, free of dyes, paraben sulfates, phthalates, BHT, EDTA, PEGs, BPA, clean, gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay, moving on from soaps, I just wanted to quickly shout out this toner from Andalou Naturals. This is their willow bark toner. So this has natural salicylic acid in it, which is why I wanted it. I think I mentioned a few videos back that I had hives of an unknown origin. Well, I figured out what the origin was. It was the fact that I had not changed my shower filter. I filter my shower water, and I'd gone maybe about 9 months. I forgot to change it. Once I did, the hive situation settled down, and I was left with bumpy and kind of slightly scarred skin. So I've been using this on my torso, which is where the hives were, to make my skin look healthy again, to lighten the scarring, get rid of the bumps, and it's been working great. I combine it with a vitamin C serum, and I'm good to go. Also, another quick shout out to Life-Flo. That's the name of this company, and it's their pure olive squalane oil. If you've noticed, a lot of products in the greener, cleaner, more holistically formulated world for your skin have squalane in them, squalane oil. And so you can just buy it, which is what I did here. And this is great too. I use this in my DIY body oil that I make. So I made my summer blend, and I could use equal amounts of this, sunflower oil, and jojoba oil as the oil base, and then I added my own little concoction of essential oils. But you can use this in, let's say you've got a lotion, a lightweight lotion or something that is not moisturizing enough for you. You can, is that my phone? One moment. Oh yeah, okay, so the oil. Let's say that you've got a lightweight lotion that is not quite moisturizing enough for you. You can squirt up, put a few pumps in your hand, then put a few drops of this, add that to it, mix it all up, and then it'll enrich whatever it is you're putting on. Same thing if you have maybe a lightweight oil or something, or moisturizer, or you just need a little extra, like you've got super dry skin on your face or your neck and you want something a little extra, then this is really, really good. Squalane has so many benefits when it comes to hydration and long-term moisturization of the skin. Don't you love that word, moisturization? That's why it's so popular in skincare right now. This one says that it is derived from 100% pure olives. It's non-greasy and leaves the skin moisturized when only using a few drops. Also, another way to use something like this is if you've gotten out of the shower or your bath and your skin is still wet, then go ahead and put this on, let it emulsify with that water, and then it really locks in all day hydration. So this is not a thin product. It's definitely got some heft to it, but it's really, really lovely, especially if we're going into the summer and you've got dry skin. Elbows, knees, feet, heels, whatever's dry, hit it with the squalane. Almost done. I needed underwear and I needed briefs. And I wanted cotton. My favorite cotton underwear from Everlane, it's been discontinued. It's been out of stock since the fall, and I just got tired of waiting around for it. So I went to Amazon and I bought this 6-pack of briefs, women's briefs from the Amazon Essentials line. You get 6 underwear in this set for the same price, for a little bit less than 1 pair of underwear from Everlane. So like I said, I would have bought them. I would have done it, but they just don't have them. So anyway, they are 95% cotton and 5% elastane. So they're very breathable. They are extremely soft. They wash beautifully and they last a long time. I know because a few years ago I got the same version, the same set of underwear, but I got it in the bikini style, and they're still going strong. They're holding up great. Again, a lot of that I think is due to the fact that I use a detergent that is very gentle on your clothes. So I'm just going to throw that out there, as well as being gentle on the environment. But yeah, so anyway, I got my cotton briefs that I've been needing for a while. Actually, these, I think the Everlane may have more elastane in it than these, because these feel a lot softer and a lot more cotton rich, a lot more just like cotton. I can't feel any sense of the elastane in here at all. So nice. Have I talked enough about underwear? Let's move on. I had to show you, let me back up a little bit, my cute little crock pot. This is the crock pot that I got. I got this from Target. This is a 2-quart. It's perfect if you live alone or if there's just 2 of you. This is a perfect size. It's all ceramic on the inside, no lead. It's really lightweight. As you can see, I'm holding this with one hand, no problem. This might actually come in different colors if you check on the Crockpot website. But yeah, and so it's got 2 settings, low, high, and a warm setting on it. So very basic, but it's just what we needed. I think I mentioned I'm slow cooking my beans because I don't want to burn them anymore. So that's what I got this for. And this was on sale, $17.99. So if you're trying to cook more from home and you don't have a lot of time, this is such a great way to just set it in the morning and come back later and you're all done. You're good to go. And it's cute. It's so cute. All right, that's enough for me. That's enough for me right now. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. I thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions or any thoughts, or if you have any of these products and you love them, let me know in the comments below. And have you made any changes to remove plastic from your home or keep it out of the environment? Let me know, especially if you've discovered any products that are helping you that you've managed to replace. Let me know. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. That lets everybody else out in the world know that you had a good time, and maybe YouTube will make sure that they see it and they'll have a good time too. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, but if you want to see more from me and you haven't subscribed, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. Okay, now I'm really leaving. All right, everybody, until I see you in my next video, I'm just gonna wish you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!